Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to uh, add layer 3 switch, multi-layer switch in Gns3 VM. As I also want to have some labs, and I do have configured router in my Gns3 VM, but I do want to add layer 3 multi-layer switch in Gns3. So the steps are a bit different. It's quite similar, but the file and the things you should be aware of, I'm going to show you how to add it on a systematic way. Okay, so let's start my VMware workstation first. I'm running Gns3 in my VM in my I'm using VMware workstation 12. I'm just running my Gns3 as well. So I do have my multi-layer switch and I'll just quickly show you how to do it. Okay, and you can see Gns3 VM is starting, and once it will start, then you can go ahead. Okay, test project. I'm just waiting for this. Once it will be green, then we can go ahead. Yeah, it is running. Okay, now just go and edit preferences. Okay, I do have my one router. If you wanna add some router in your Gns3, and you can just click on iOS router, and you can just click on new. Okay, and run this iOS on Gns3 VM and click on next. And if you want to add new image, go on new image and browse the image. Okay, and just click on next, and that's it. So it's just simple to configure the router, but I'll just show you how to add layer 3 switch. We do have router, right? Yes, we have router. Okay, but we don't have any layer 3 switch. Okay, so these are the switches you can just use, but in this switches you cannot configure all the stuff like anything. Okay, you can't use all the commands. It's not that handy. So I'm just gonna use layer 3 switch. Click on IOU device, click on new. Okay, and run this IO device on the Gns3 VM. Click on next and just give a name. I'll give layer 3 or multi-layer switch. Okay. So I do have an existing image. I'll just click on new layer 2. Just give the path of your image. Okay, if you want a layer 3 image, I'll just give the link below. You can just click on the link and you can download those files as well. Okay, software, yes, Gns3 VM. So this is the file. Okay, this is the image bin file of my multi-layer switch. Click on, just ignore my background sound. Okay, I'm at home, so click on next and finish and apply, and then okay. So this is it, but there is one more thing you just need to be aware of, is that you need to have one more file, that is I guess I have to use those files over. It's been long. I'm like, I just need to, yeah. So iOS and Unix. Okay, you just need a Unix file and a license key file for your IOU device. Okay, and that is really important factor to use, otherwise it might not work on that way. So this is really important way to configure your layer 3 or your to add your multi-layer switch in Gns3 VM. Okay, I do have that file. I have just downloaded it from Google, and that's based on Python, I guess. So yeah, anyways, I'm just going to add those files in my description below, and you can just download those files and you can just uh, add it the way I'm just showing you. Click on browse, give the path where you have kept your file Gns3 Gns3 VM. So this is the file, IOURC file. Okay, this is just the text document file you just need to add in your iOS Unix tab. Okay, and just click on apply and then okay. Let's quickly see either we have our multi-layer switch. Yes, we do have. Let's drag and just start screen and click on the console. See, we are able to hit the console of our multi-layer switch, and you can use this switch as the way you want, right? Configure terminal and host name, blah blah blah, etc. Okay, so yeah, this is the simple way and most efficient way to add multi-layer switch in Gns3 VM. I hope this might be informative for you, and thank you so much for watching. See you until next time.